Hello and welcome to the video tutorial series by LearnBiz Simulations. In this module, we will teach you some of the classes of Excel functions. We'll cover the Excel logical functions in this video. The Excel logical functions are provided by Excel to help you to work with the logical values, true and false. The functions could be grouped into the following categories: Boolean operator functions like and, or, not, etc. Functions returning constant values like true, false, etc. And finally, conditional functions like if error, etc. Let's start with the Boolean operator functions starting with AND. The Excel AND function tests the number of user-defined conditions and returns a result of true if all of the conditions evaluate to true, or false if any of the conditions evaluate to false. As can be seen in the example, the function evaluates to true as both the conditions are true and false if one of the condition is not true. Note that any numeric values except 0 are treated as the logical value true, and the value 0 is treated as the logical value false. This is true for all logical functions. Next is the OR function. The Excel OR function tests the number of supplied conditions and returns true if any of the conditions evaluate to true, or false if all of the conditions evaluate to false. The same numbers are evaluated with the OR function this time. The Excel NOT function receives a logical value and simply returns the opposite logical value. If supplied with the value true, the NOT function returns false, and if supplied with the value false, the function return the value true, as can be seen in the examples. The Excel true or false function returns the logical value true or false respectively. Note that this function is quite redundant, as you can also get the same result by simply typing the text true or false into your spreadsheet. Next are the Excel conditional functions. The Excel if function tests a user-defined condition and returns the result of second argument if the condition is true, and the result of third argument if the condition is false. As can be seen in the example, the if function is used to check if the denominator is 0 before the division. If it is, then division by 0 is displayed, or else actual result of division is displayed. The if function is frequently nested in Excel. That is, the value if true or the value if false argument is replaced with another call to the if function. As can be seen in the nested if example, if the value in column B is equal to 0, a further call to if is made to test the value in column C. And if the value in column B is not equal to 0, the function returns the value in column A divided by the value in column B. Excel if error function tests if an initial supplied value or expression returns an error, and if so, returns a second supplied argument. Otherwise, the function returns the initial tested value. For example, we try to add two numbers inside if error and display corrective measures when a text is entered, which gives hash value error. That's it in this video. We'll continue our Excel video tutorial series in the next video. Thanks for watching. You may visit our website www.learnbizsimulations.com to check out some of our business simulation games for learning and assessment.